Hello guys, we're back with Cuphead. This is now, I'm pretty sure it's part 3. And yeah, we're just gonna head right in. I need to get some money. And this time I'm going to use the chaser gun, which I forgot to use. And now I got better controls. Should hopefully be a lot smoother. Never mind. Just final. Okay, we're just almost already dead. Hopefully this time I won't rage as much, because Jesus Christ. That was a whole lot of raging. Oh! Run. Oh! Oh shit, no! Oh. Oh, I didn't know you could have... Shit! Oh, fuck. Oh, just kill me. I don't fuck... Holy shit! Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. Yeah, this time, I'm gonna try and not swear as much, because, last time, I may have swore just a little bit. Okay, I am dead. I hate these balloon things, though. One of the reasons why I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna try my best not to swear as much, because I couldn't be asked. It took so long to edit it. These balloon things are so annoying. Yeah, but I want to try and get the, I'm pretty sure it's called the lobber, the weapon, which just like lodges and lobs just giant purple. In this game, chill with the balloons. Yo, I'm gonna go try the other one. No, I didn't mean to click quit game. Oh my god, why is that an option? Can we literally just enter? Can we just skip all of it? Or is it just like, no, you need to get all the contracts? As we are the demons. I guess slaves, if you want to get that doc. And avoid the lips. Oh wow, that was really quick. Holy. Speedrunning professional. Oh no, I rushed. Okay, that is generally the first we got, so it's clearly working. Oh! Wait, was that the last bit? Oh, that was close. Hang on. We actually got some distance. Aim for the dark. What are you doing, game? You're gonna... Whoa! Oh! Yo! Oh, we did it! Wait, that... Oh! Let's go. We actually got all the coins, I'm pretty sure. Did we get all 5 coins? Oh, we got all 5 coins. Now we're in the banks. Oh, I'm just a tad bit annoyed because that was so unbelievably easy with the targeting gun. I was just being stupid. Oh, great. Lobber. Wait, we could get XR as well. Oh, that is so good. How do I select it? Oh, there we go. Oh, first charm. I do really want to fight the dragon, but I do kind of want to try the bird because we haven't fought him yet. Let's just try and use the lobber this time. Medium range and good damage with a slow rate of fire. And yeah, let's just go to spread. Let's see how this goes. Oh, we don't even use the lobber on this. Oopsies. Ooh. Oh, okay. Whoa, he just turned into a glove. I forgot to switch guns because I remember I switched the controls. Ah. Turn into the bomb. Uh-oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. How do I do that? How do I... I forgot how to... How do you do the ult thing? You have to parry. Wait. Oh, I completely forgot. These new controls are confusing my brain. Okay, now I know, I remember. You click O, circle, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, now I know. Let's kill this bird. Oh, come on. It feels like it... Oh, it like tracks me. Targets me. Go bomb! Boom! Oh my god, he's still going. Oh! How close? Ooh, so close. I just need to get better at dodging. That was so close. But he's almost about to run out of feathers, honestly. Ooh! It's so much... Oh! He's lost his feathers. Who the hell are you? Oh, and he moves. That's not good. Boom! Oh. He has a gun. Of course he does. It's just a generic Cuphead boss at this point. Just, hey, I got a gun. Up yours. Oh, and he's got aimbot on that gun. Lovely. Ooh, so close. Love how this guy's just got aimbot. He has a child with aimbot. The gift of aimbot. Oh my god, I failed on that. That was slow. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, that is annoying, parry. Oh, god damn it. He just like goes towards you. It's so annoying. Oh, so close. Oh my god. Yeah, just kill me. I'm not doing it on 1 health. I'm not mental. Yeah, you can't beat me. Oh, shut up. I'm going to kill you. And I'm going to cook you up. And eat you. Die. You do get your ability though very quickly. Oh, you're so lucky. Oh. Game. Thank you for just something just literally popped up on my screen. Thank you. Did I hit him? Oh, it did hit him. Alright. Oh, he's back. He's shooting his heart. Die. Oh, what the hell? What are you doing? Oh, he's dead. Oh, no, he's not. I'm almost dead. Whoa. Oh, we did it! They're cooking him up. Oh, I want to eat him. He looks really... Oh, they're just like... We're cooking him up. B+. And I haven't sworn yet. Oh my god. That is a world record for me to not swear. Got the rainbow bridge. Cool, Wally. Not Wally either. What else do we have? We have the dragon. Clown boy. And that platformer. I think I wanna leave the dragon to the last, because I think he's you know, it's a dragon. To all your battle, oh my right. You have not failed to perish 142 died. Lovely. Like 128 before. Brilliant. Okay, let's go for clown. I don't know what weapons we should really use on this, but I don't know. I got full health. Ow, I don't get this. I don't get this gun. Okay, and I don't get this boss apparently. Wait, let me get the bloody Maybe you don't use the lobber gun for... Oh wait, why did I think there was a room where you have to select your big triangle? Let's just go for... Yo, I feel like Chaser might actually be useful because it could shoot the ducks as well. So yeah, I think I might be pretty good. Oh, the light bulb ones with the deadly explosion. Oh. Ah, damn it. Oh, bye. He just fell to his death. He just went, ah! Hello. Oh. It is violent dogs. No, I can't. Oh! Well, I managed to hit him, so, you know. Whoa! Damn it. Oh, damn, I wasn't even close. Knock, knock. Oh, wait, I need a clown. Knock, knock. Who there? Charlie? Charlie who? Charlie Horse. I don't know what the hell that voice was. Hi. Oh, let's go. Did die. Oh, he went that way. Oi! Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's got another horse. What is that? Oh. Did he just have different horses? That is kind of cool, but also not for me, though. Kind of annoying. Oh, we defeated that phase. Oh, what was he doing? I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he just fell to his death again. I'm back. Oh, he is back. Hello. I don't know. Whoa! Oh, penguin. Oh, okay. That one's really short. Actually, it seemed like I had a lot to go do, but no, actually no. Not that bad actually. I want to use it on the horses. Which way is he coming from? Perfect. Boom! Yep, go on, slide off it. Go. Honk. That is an awful giggle. And we just fine. Ooh! I landed on the roller coaster but didn't die. I managed to get between it. God damn it. Oh, come on, I hit the duck. God damn it. Stupid clown. I'm going to get you. Shut up, you stupid clown. Yeah, fall over. You're not going to kill me. Even though you have killed me multiple times already. Shut up. Oh! Oh my god, that was just... Just a mini spawn went... Vaporized me. Bonk. I keep on bonking them. Oh, that was just a jump scare, that one. Oh, that was on my... How did that hit me? What? That's ridiculous. Actually. No, I'm calling bull on that one. Oh, I think I'm supposed to stay on the platforms. I don't know if they can jump up there. But we are very close. We're very close. Cuppy boy, you almost mullered this stupid clown. Whoa! Didn't like that. Okay, apparently I didn't hit that. Thank you, game. Die, just die. Thank you. Right, stay in the middle. You could appear anywhere, like there. Oh, come on. Really? Oh my god, I can't even jump. Oh. I'm not swearing. No, no, no. Think about how long it will take to edit. I'm gonna kill this stupid clown. You stupid clown. Hey, I'm not stupid. There you are. You know you are. Look at that. You look like you're a descendant of the Squidward family tree. That's all I'm saying. Okay, apparently the balloons just are Impenetrable to bullets. Lovely. Who? Wait, which way? Good. Game for being stupid. I always hate that with the, like, special ability. Even if the animation just, like, cuts, you still... Die! Whoa! Yes! Hell yeah! Oh, it's going quick. His face is like, oh, why did you do that? Because you're annoying. And you were trying to kill me, even though I tried to kill you first. Doom, 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 doom. We just murdered an innocent clown, just doing his job. Doom, 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 doom. E plus. Yay, we just killed 2 bosses and a platform this episode. We are so damn good. Through all your battles and all my rhymes, who have failed and perished 149 times. Well, it's not 150. We're not halfway to 200 just yet. I'm gonna leave here. It's just gonna be a nice and, like, short one. I like it. I actually enjoyed my experience. I was not enraged, and I didn't swear a single time. So that's good. At least I won't have to censor literally anything, so that's good. Anyways, that's about it. Fucking bye.